Um, okay, so we saw really only one way. Let me go ahead and write that down. We saw lack. I'm trying to type, sorry. We saw lack of manipulation into reversal, meaning today is going to be a more difficult day to trade than normal. So you want to catch one trade and be kind of done. That's why I caught like a quick $400 scalp. Also, price is really expensive down here per tick. It's really, really expensive. Um, so because we saw lack of manipulation into reversal, what we should see is manipulation into reversal today. We should see that today. Let's see where she's manipulated to. With open, with pre-market open, she pushed down, fully reversed up already. Okay. It means she should continue up, which is making me want to get, we saw initially manipulation down, and we've already seen reversal up. So we should see continuation of the reversal that's already been completed. It's making me want to delete my short. So it's putting me in a position to be long. Now, overall higher time frames were very bearish. Very, very bearish. Also taking it, and maybe that's what's getting in my head really bad, because we have a lot of hedge funds that are also entirely shorting NASDAQ. They're all shorting NASDAQ right now. So based off the strategy, bullish currently, not overall, but bullish currently for today's move. Bullish today's move. Okay, based off of market info, like meaning like what I know what is going on behind the scenes. We are higher time frame. I hate trading a manipulation into reversal day. I hate it. I want to trade a continuation day every day of the week. I hate a manipulation into reversal day. It's actually making me want to walk out right now. But we'll see. Okay, market info. So the strategy alone that I have, we're bullish on today's move. Like that's going to be the overall move. Or that's going to be, it doesn't even have to be as big of a move as we've seen short. It should just be the move moving forward. From this point forward, we should be like bullish. But we are on the higher time frames bearish, bad. We are, looks like we just swept liquidity, and what stopped her was this midway point of the daily fair value gap. And then usually when we hit a midway point of a daily fair value gap, we start soaring too. But higher time frame, and I know this, the higher time frames are bearish. I know that market info, like about hedge funds, about stocks, about all of that, about options, all of it, bearish. So that's what's keeping me having this short position, is my internal knowledge. It's a little, right now it's currently negating the strategy. The strategy is bullish as fuck right now. Like short to objective and then bullish after that. In my head, I'm thinking bearish. So I'm fighting with myself. Does anybody want to tell me what they're thinking? I want to hear y'all's thoughts too. Oh, I sound clear to you? Loriana, can you hear me? Do I not sound clear? Y'all hear me? Are y'all able to hear me? Yes. Okay. Oh, you're good. I switched my phone. Okay. Thank y'all. I saw Bree go down. I saw Bree like move her hand to go respond. I saw that because I asked like for the fourth time. Thank y'all for responding. I wanted to make sure y'all can hear me because then I would have to stop, fix it, and then say all of that again. Okay, so because we're gonna see manipulation into reversal as well, and we range expanded last night. Right now, it's causing us to range. So that means we're just like moving in this little area, like price is kind of stopping herself. Part of the reason why I'm not like, okay, I'll just enter here, okay, I'll just enter here off this retracement area is because I'm having really conflicting ideas in my head. So I have to wait for her to hit a specific area because I know she should react at my buy limit. She should react and pop. And she should react at my short limit. She should react and drop. So, and maybe this is where I should put my short limit instead of up here. Because I placed it while this candle was like pushing a little green, and then I was like, okay, if she hits here, then she turned around right there instead. If I go off strategy alone, I'm bullish. Higher time frames, bearish. Oh, where's that? Where did I type that? Let's leave that right there. I'm gonna get rid of that. Strategy says bullish. I'm gonna wait my turn. I'm hungry. I'm so hungry. Dude, I didn't go to bed until like 12 a.m. last night. I was working so much. You want to build some lesson plans with me while we wait for entry? What I'm going to be teaching the mentorship. Okay. Dang, I have so much stuff going over here. Enter exit class. These need to go here. How are y'all feeling today? How's y'all's trading looking? Has anybody traded yet? You're red on SPX. Let me check SPX. What did you say that one was named? A whole lot of watching today. Yeah, me too. Me too. I did take a little scout. Mind you, I risked like $300 to make $400 though, and that just puts a bad taste in my mouth. I haven't touched anything today, but just about blew my 25K email yesterday. I'm in silver right now, short. Okay, Leslie, on futures? Okay, I got you. See, she's just fucking back and forth, dude. She hit the top of this retracement area, though, so that shows that this retracement area is nice. Look at that. I found that retracement area with y'all. Look at how she's fucking blowing up. I thought she was definitely going to come down to the midway point, and she probably will, but she's just going to be back and forth over and over. I can't look at that and feel like I hate myself for not getting in. Okay. Let's, what day is this? August. You're short. Let me see why. Oh my god, I told the chat. Hang on. I told my group chat where she would long. And I think she's past that point. Hang on. I told her where she would long on silver, to and pump to, and I think she's there. Hang on. What did I say, 6'5" what? I said, I'm pretty sure I said 67 is where we're going to stop, so this might be a good place to short on silver. Leslie. Bro, where's the message? Bro, where's the message? I literally said... I want to see silver fly. 69865. Just know I said this. Okay, 69865. Okay. Alright. Your entry was 67.60. You're in for short. Okay, last night we saw... let me make sure these times are correct. 5 p.m. to 7 a.m. Okay. Yeah. She manipulated down, reversed up, reversed back down. And then she went all the way down to here at one point, actually. So, and your entry is 67.60. 67.60. I think this is actually, I just went over the messages in my group chat. I think it's a pretty good place to short, but let me continue looking over it. Alright. We've got a fair value gap, beautiful, on the 4 hour right here. That's unmitigated. She tapped it multiple times and failed. This looks like it's around a midway point entry. We're seeing a nice rejection at it, so that's good for you. We did see higher time frame consolidation like last night. We saw higher time frame consolidation. We're going to the said higher time frame fair value. Motherfucker, I should have gotten it at the top of this retracement area instead. Damn it, bro. Let me see. It's 5 minutes closing. Failing over and over again. Sorry, I got a scalp. Sorry, that was really quick. She probably would have just hit TP. Okay. Yeah, no, I think that's a beautiful entry. I actually kind of want to go over to NQ. Or NQ. I actually kind of want to go over to silver, but I've focused so heavily on NQ this week, I don't want to mess up my ideas. So I'm up 489 on the day. If we see... I'm gonna try and make that $86. Praise God. Praise God. She's bad right now. TP would have just hit on my scalp. And I didn't risk anything. But I saw it. That's how you treat a scalp, though. Fucking TP on a scalp. Don't wait for her to hit TP on a scalp. That's a fucking intraday trade. Don't wait for her to hit TP. Get out when you can. Get in when you can, get out when you can. She's just, this is eating people alive right now. Somebody entered short right here, got stopped right here. Somebody then entered long right here, just got stopped. Like, I cannot enter in between. Like, think about it. Think about how often, okay, she's shorting. Okay, she fails to close. You should long right here, actually. But let's say someone is just silly, doesn't understand a strategy, doesn't understand retracement tools. Okay, so they're like, it's shorting. God bless, dude. Like right here, let's say somebody shorts right here. They don't understand retracement tools. She's tapping the top of this retracement tool. Watch her bounce up. They get stopped. Okay, then they enter long. Then a full body sound. Like, it's just brutal. Also on your silver chart, the blue separation is at the session. Yeah, this is the session. So she manipulated, she manipulated down from here to here. And on silver, that's a lot of money. And she reversed entirely back up, and then she reversed entirely back down overnight. And then she, let me see. She pushed and pumped up. But this is also, we have to consider that there's higher time frame consolidation right here, and we are looking at a 4-hour fair value gap right above us. So you see, what did I just say? Guys, back to I'm going to continue what I was just saying, Leslie, give me 1 second. What did I just say? So somebody just entered short right here because they don't understand retracement tools. And what did she do? She bounced like crazy off that retracement tool right there. Like, somebody's getting fucked over and over and over by not waiting their turn, by not understanding, like, why she would come back down to this place, why she would go back up at this place, why she's bouncing in between these areas. Somebody's getting destroyed. Like, entering short right here. And they're like, oh my god. And then it just flew up just a second ago. Stopped them out. Okay. Filled for long. They've blown their account. And that's sad. Not us though. Please, not us. Please. This is why it's really important whenever we're having like this very confusing day. Yeah, don't touch it now, Darian. Yeah, it traumatizes you, dude. It traumatizes you as fuck. It traumatizes you. And everything's so expensive on NQ during New York, especially like right around 9 a.m. Like, somebody just entered short. They're like, okay, surely it's going to keep shorting because she was, like, they don't have any of this on their chart. They're like, okay. She's, like, almost full bodying. She's going to short. And she bounces off of this retracement area that they don't know exists. And they get fucked. And they're just entering in between what's very clearly, what's it called? There it is. Ranging, consolidating. It's super important that you just wait, because if she has enough strength to go back and forth this heavily in between, she's going to have enough strength to push up. She's going to fill me somewhere up here, or she's going to have enough strength to drop here and fill me for long. Yeah, 30 to 60 points can be destructive as fuck. It destroys your psychology. You're like, wait. And then you flip. Look at her. Like I just said, somebody just entered short right here. Because they saw her full body down. And they're like, okay, surely she's going to break. And they just got stopped. And this right here, from here to here, this is 29.37, 337. This is 29.363. That's 30 points. And they're like, oh fuck. I'd be down $600 right now. With how expensive price is. See, I have people in the group chat saying, I'm holding through this, but it's having trouble. I'm holding through this. I'm not holding through nothing. I don't want this to stress me out. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm happy that they have that sort of, what's the word? Ambition? Not me. Not me, not me, not me. And see, I could say, you know what, fuck it. I just want to get the day done. Let me enter long right here real quick for a scalp. Y'all saw me take a quick scalp and I was like, yeah. I want to get out. Never mind. And I did. I got out $86. Thank God. Yeah, she would have gotten hit CP, but what if she wouldn't have? Because I went off of a very, like, minor, okay, she has a lot of volume to the downside, and she just closed inside of the retracement area and didn't close outside above, so she just should short after this. That's all I went off of. Yeah, if I would have held her all the way down to here, I had no idea that she was going to go all the way down there. No, like, it's hard to explain. I hope I'm explaining it well, but you're so right. My anxiety, yeah, your anxiety would be wild right now. We'd be stressed. If I was in a trade with y'all right now, let's say in the middle of here, let's say I was like, okay, surely she's gonna break, and then she started to, and I was like, okay, she's gonna keep going down because she closed underneath the retracement area. We would be having our trailed stop hit over and over. Yeah, hidden scalps. Thank God. That's what I've scalped twice today, 3 times today. I'm up 500. I'm also on a 25K, so I'm only going in 1 micro at a time. I do have about the same buffer, 1 micro, 1 mini. Sorry, I meant to say 1 mini. I do have the same buffer as 150K though. That doesn't mean I should trade it like 150K. You should trade 150K like a 25K. See, I want to enter short right here. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. What are we in the middle of? Ranging. Why would I enter short right here? Somebody give me a good reason. No good reason, but I'm itching, bro. I'm itching. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. It would toss and screw me. It would toss and screw me. Yeah, somebody's getting cooked. And I pray to God it's nobody in the chat. That's why I'm on live with y'all. I'm trying to keep y'all safe. And it's live. The difference is we're not working with live accounts that have, like I'm not live account trading with y'all. I'm prop firm trading. So we have much smaller room to breathe. I could let my live account, I could enter right here and be like, okay, for today, I think she's overall going to short from here based on the 4 hour. Look at the 4 hour, I think she's going to turn around, hit here again, and then bounce up. I could just enter the trade, 2 minis, 3 minis, 4 minis, and just walk the fuck away. Walk the fuck away because I have my stop in place. My stop would probably be above here. My TP would probably be down here. And I could just hold it for days on end. Okay, I was right. It's shorting right in between the area. It doesn't matter though. What if I was wrong? It doesn't matter. It doesn't. I did say I wanted to short right here, but it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. I'm not entering in between. I'm not doing it. Yeah, it's fun jumping in and out of trades. It's fun making money for sure. It's not fun if you're losing it. It's not fun jumping in and out of trades, taking a loss here, a loss here, a loss here, a loss here. Y'all seen that too? Where I was like, dude, what the fuck am I doing? I'm just trading like pointlessly on this eval because it's not my funded. I get the same jitters y'all get, especially because I'm on live, because I want to be able to produce a $4,000 day with y'all like I have before, or a $9,000 day. I want to produce. I produced $16,000 days back whenever silver was pumping like crazy, and we could trade minis on Top Step, and nobody knew about it other than us. I produced like $40,000 trades in the mentorship. That's such a good feeling. So I get the itch. I get the itch when I'm alone, and then it's like, what's the word? It's magnetized on live. Because, fuck, I want to win with y'all. I want us all to win real quick. It's not worth risking blowing anything. What we're trying to do is remain consistent and profitable based on the strategy. And the strategy works, so we have to follow it. Works 83% of the time. And I like just talking to y'all too. If you want to go see a picture of Tatum on my story, I just posted it right now. I have to absolutely have the Dougie played at my wedding. Okay, I think she's about to close above this retracement area here in a second. Above this one. And she's gonna pretend like she's breaking, and then she's gonna hit here, and then she's gonna short. That's what I think is about to happen. I'll write a path for y'all. She's gonna fake break. This one I actually think is not gonna go that far. I think she's gonna go. That's what I think is about to happen. Don't forget to trail, trail, trail. Trail, always, trail, always, always. I'm hungry. Do y'all have Whataburger? Who has Whataburger in their state or in their city? Do y'all know what Whataburger is? It's the shit. It's amazing. She looks like she's about strong clothes to push above this retracement area. I want Whataburger again, but I just had Whataburger yesterday. I'm bad about that. Once I eat one thing in the week that's different, I eat that for like the next 3-4 days. And then the next week I do the same thing, and the next week I do the same thing. Like, I can't tell you how many times I have had Chili's in 1 week. I've had Chili's for lunch and then gone DoorDash Chili's for lunch before last week. And then, yeah, I think she's about to push and close above this retracement area, fake break, push down. So I think I'm about to short here soon. But, what was I going to say? I've had Chili's DoorDash to my house, and then I've had, let me look at 15 minutes. And then I've also eaten Chili's that same very night. Yeah. I've gone and been like, oh, I want Chili's again. Am I only 2 minutes? What the fuck is wrong with this? So whenever I wrote it, we were right here. I think she's about to push up bad. If you want to catch a long scalp, I really do believe that she's about to push up big time. Like from here to here. You're gonna move up. I would catch a short right around here. Or right around here. I'm gonna ride. I don't want to enter long up here though. I want to enter long down here. I know she's probably about to push up though. Maybe I'm trading out of fear instead. But it's keeping me safe. Oh, let me see the chat. I got rid of the chat, I'm sorry. Chili's is fire. I love Chili's. I love Chili's. Their Southwest egg rolls. Oh my god. You know what? I'm ordering Chili's. Dude, I just had Chili's 2 days ago. I don't think that's bad at all. I just told the chat on live. I think she's about to push up pretty good. And then I think she's going to reverse, but short term, hell yeah. Yeah, she's pushing. Like I said. Did anybody catch that long scalp that I just said would probably happen? Whenever I said longs would be pretty safe right now, I think she's about to push good. Anybody catch that? Yay, Leslie! Yay! I think she's about to push above here, fake break. And then I'm going to catch a short somewhere around here. 380 on the day. There we go. I love to see that. Love to see that. Yeah, she was giving me all the hints that she was bullshitting in this retracement area. She's about to fake 5-second scalp, so hell yeah. That's me today. Cause fuck what she's doing, dude. All this cooked somebody bad. This was just destructive. What was I gonna say? I was gonna say something. She may not push above here, but if she doesn't push above, I'm not shorting her. I'm not getting in until she gives me an entry somewhere up here. I'm particular. You gotta you're the prize, bro. You gotta make her work for it. Think of that. Like, you can't just be like, okay, NQ, you're acting like a piece of shit, I'll enter. No, you shouldn't do that with a man. You shouldn't do that with a woman. You shouldn't do that with nothing. You have to make her earn it. Make her travel to your entry. Make her travel to that. If she doesn't want to travel to it, fuck her. Get out of my face. She's not worth it then. Because your entry should be in a place in which you can get stopped before you blow your account. You can get stopped before you blow your account, and you can still have room to breathe in order to either pivot, reverse your position, close for the day, trade tomorrow. It shouldn't kill you. And your sizing needs to be according to that too. So you need to make her work for you. Lord knows we work for these charts. Lord knows we work for her all fucking day long. You need to make her work for you. It's a give and take, okay? If NQ doesn't want to give me my entry, I haven't entered long. I will not enter long until she hits here. I'm not going to. I'm not doing it. I'm not. I might enter short, but I'm not entering long. I'm not doing it. Even whenever I knew she was probably going to push up right here, I'm not doing it. I will, however, enter short somewhere up here. But she's got to give me what I want. Oh, you're in right now? Hey, Ultra? I don't know. I don't know. I'll call you A-Trades. I don't know. I don't want to botch that. I don't want to butcher that. That's smart. I think due to the fact that we swept PDL low and swing low, we should have a move up. That's smart. I think this daily fair value gap midway point has sent us up beautifully. She came down and hit it, swept it on the daily and the 4 hour. We know that 4 hour sweeps are long and they're hard, but she swept it nice, and then she's moved up since. I think she's going to come back down. I think it's going to be a very sideways day because we only saw one thing last night, which was, I think, just like mainly a pull down, right? Yeah, we saw, it's 5 p.m. Oh, well, we saw push up. And then we saw her reverse down. She continued to, oh fuck, this changes everything. We did see a manipulation into reversal, damn it. And I was looking at the 4 hour, wasn't I? Where did I get lack of manipulation into reversal? Idiot, stupid, dumb, stupid. Okay. She hit objective. She should. It's still bullish. Okay, let's see. She's pulling down. I could have entered short at the top of here, but like I said, I am going to wait for her to get here. I might even just lock out on the day. Let's look at what my consistency is if I lock out on the day. Is it toasted? Let me go check on Lucid. Funded. Few details. I'm within consistency right now. But this pulls down my other days if pulls down my other days bad. Yeah, here comes the reversal. Or some of it. If she closes on the 5 minute underneath here, I'm gonna enter short right here. In this little retracement area. But she's got to close on the 5 minute underneath. She's got to close on the 5 minute underneath. If we did manipulate last night, this morning, will you show us where please? Yeah. Okay. Pushed up all the way to here. Came back down. And then we fully reversed this entire push. Fully reversed it down here. Created a lower high. Fully reversed. So then we see this morning, we start at 7 a.m. She continued her reversal. This is her reversal right now, is what it seems like. Shit. No, I'm just kidding. She continued her reversal down, so this is 7 a.m. No, 6 a.m. 7 a.m. is pre-market open. Okay, she pushed all the way down to here. You see this wick? Hit her midway point. That was her objective. The daily fair value at midway point. And then she ended up reversing that. She should continue down. I'm going to short once she gets back into this retracement area. The 5 minute just closed underneath. Fantastic. I'm waiting on entry. I have to go watch the retracement tool video. I feel good now that things are happening. Like I said, she's probably going to push up here in a second if anybody wants to catch those scalps, and I think she's going to reverse this here soon. It looks like that's what she's doing. So it looks like things are falling in line and she's starting to behave for some odd reason. So I am going to still wait for her to retrace. I could potentially enter here. Her volume's high. I have no reason to think she wouldn't have enough strength to push in and hit the midway point of this retracement area, just based off if we see she just flew through this one right here. She flew through it right here. Yes, she stopped right here, 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 and here. But as you can see, she hit this one and she went straight through to this one. So she has enough strength in her. She has enough volatility and volume. So why am I going to enter at the bottom whenever I know that the candles are very clearly telling me she is strong enough to get to the midway point? And if she doesn't, then I miss the trade and she can go fuck herself. I'm about tired of her anyways. I'm gonna post this for y'all, even though I haven't really. I took like a minor $80, $90 scout with y'all. If I don't take a trade with y'all, I'm still gonna post it. And then I have the webinar today at 1. Are y'all gonna be there? Calling it a day. See y'all tomorrow. Love you, Cheyenne. Stick to your plan, period, is right, Leslie. Y'all have seen me call it over and over and over this morning. Y'all have seen me respect that I want to enter at certain places. Y'all have seen things happen that I said were going to happen, but me not get filled because I wanted to get filled above a little higher or a little lower. That doesn't mean that I'm not a good trader. It just means that I'm unwilling to I already sacrifice capital whenever I enter a trade. I already sacrificed my time, my energy, my willingness. I already sacrificed so much when it comes to trading itself. I'm not also going to sacrifice, I'm not going to also sacrifice entry. I'm not going to sacrifice risking more money. I'm not going to do that. I can be fully missed. Like, she could hit here and reject. I said I wasn't going to enter here. I know she has enough strength in her to come get me. If she doesn't want to get me and she just wants to be toxic today, I'm not going to fucking feed into her. I'm not feeding into her. I already give her so much of my time and energy. You have to think about that. You need to take every setup, but you don't need it exactly if it's not what you want. I know she has enough strength to come fill me. If she doesn't want to because she hates me today, been there, done that, fine, I'd rather not get filled. I've gotten edged so many times, I'm used to it. I've had TPs edged. Y'all have seen it. That's the worst part. My stop loss never gets fucking edged, though. Never gets edged. I always get filled on stop loss. Always. I fucking kill myself. I always get filled on stop loss. On trailed, I always get filled whenever I'm trailed. Actually, yesterday I had a stop loss in profit that I didn't, that I got edged on. I was like, it's nice to see that. I always get filled on stop losses. I always get filled, other than yesterday. Bad people do good things all the time too, okay? NQ is a bad person. She does good things sometimes, like trails my stop and profit, and then goes and hits TP. Just because she did that one time doesn't mean she's not a piece of shit. NQ's a piece of shit, and we know this. Look at her. I was like, I could enter here in short. She's listening to me. Oh my god. Anyways, I already give her so much of my time and energy. I'm not also going to be willing to risk more money than I already do whenever I trade her. Yes, the live is still happening. Someone just asked. She's toxic as fuck. Me too. Some days I'm a break even as fuck trader too. That was a good retracement play. How about chat? How about y'all do exactly what I say I'm gonna do today, except you enter a little bit lower or you enter a little bit higher? You know how much money you'd be up? I was like, I'm not gonna enter here. I'm not gonna enter here for shorts. I'm not gonna enter here for longs. I'm gonna wait. How about y'all do exactly what I say I'm gonna do, except move your entry exactly where I said I'm not gonna get filled there. I'm not doing it. How about y'all do that? We have so much money right now. Let's see. Come fill me. Come fill me. Has anybody been doing that in the chat? Have y'all been like, I've seen Lauren be stubborn and force herself to wait. I'm going to move it down a little lower because I've seen that it hit exactly where it was supposed to over and over. She just wanted to be entered a little higher, a little lower. So why don't I just negate that? Has anybody done that today? Don't do that. That's the whole point. Don't do that. I'm not being for real. But has anybody done that? I'm waiting for it to take me out of break even. Good shit. Good shit. I need all my food. Growing strong. The Dom's going crazy right now. Fixing things and holding mama's hand. Yeah, we're just alike. Hey, ain't we dead? Can y'all hear my music? Or am I just singing to y'all and serenading y'all? Okay, good. Good. So my little bear is growing up. I know this song is about a little boy, but I think it's hate him all the time. My daughter with this song. I've been watching. Told my daughter's dad to rot in hell today. Multiple times. I said, he sent me some long ass message. You see that? A long ass message, okay? I said, rot in hell, psychopath. Fuck out of my face. Bro, I'm tired of being nice. I'm tired of responding to every. I'm tired of the interrogation. I'm tired of responding. I'm giving it my energy. I'm tired. If somebody shows you who they are, believe them the fucking first time, bro. Believe them the first time. I said, rotten hell, psychopath. And then I said, fuck out of my face. And then he said, what the hell is wrong with you? And I said, you. Because it is him. So I have a child with a psychotic, coercive, violent psychopath. That's my problem. Rotten hell. And then I said, it's you. Again, rotten hell. Bro, and I'm usually, you can't get that side of me. It's really, really hard to get that side of me. Because I understand everybody so well. Or not well, but like I choose to be understanding. I choose to be like, okay, I can get where you're coming from. I choose today that I do not get where he's coming from. That is my choice for today and all the days following. I no longer understand where he's coming from. I don't want to understand where he's coming. Nope. I don't get it. I don't want to get it. Nope. I'm done. I'm over it. Nope. It takes me a while to get there though. We just started co-parenting again in June because we have to. It's like court ordered or whatever. Anyways. And what was I going to say? We just started co-parenting again. Fucking kill myself. And then, I've been nice since June, dude. I know that sounds like a really short period of time because June, July, August. It's felt like 4 years for me. You don't understand. You don't get it. It's exhausting. Been super nice. Showed up on time. Done my due diligence. Loved my daughter. Protected my daughter. Done all that I can. Oh, I'm filled. Don't piss me off. You've done everything I said you were gonna do up until this point. Don't piss me off, okay? Go down. Thank you. Keep going down. Okay, TP's gonna be Tatum, don't need a Thank you. I think that every kid does need a dad for sure. I think every kid needs a good dad, though. That's where I struggle, is because I know that she deserves the best. I think that kids do need their father. I think they need a good father. Don't piss me off. Out of all the times Didn't I say I wanted to enter short up here? Gotta wait for 5-minute closure. What time is it? Oh, it's new 1 hour. Okay. Out of all the times. I called 7 different trades this morning. Bang, bang, bang. The one I get filled on. You see how she's fucking toxic? You see this? It's me. It's me. She doesn't like me. She hates me. I wanted to enter short somewhere up here. And I was like, you know what? She closed underneath this retracement area. Surely she's not going to push past it just to fuck off. Oh, but she's the NASDAQ. Of course she is. Of course she is. I still want to short up here. I'm going to wait. Risking way too much. Dude, I'm not going to lie. If I see up 500, I'm fucking exiting. Before she hits TV. I don't care. 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 I know that sounds stupid and silly and dumb. I don't care. 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 I could have waited to get filled up here like I said I wanted to. But I didn't. But I didn't. But I didn't. It's fine. She hates me. It's me. She's out to get me. She's attacking me. No, I'm just kidding. The market's not out to get you. I have to wait for closure. I'm gonna turn this worship music up louder. Closure above. Fuck me. The closure inside this, which is good. If I'm not lying, I'm not kidding. If I see up 500, I'm taking her. I'm exiting. Like, I'm not. She's pissing me off today. I don't care that I risked $800. I don't care. 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 If I'm up 1,000 on the day, that's meets consistency. I'm cutting her. I'm literally gonna put TP at 700. If I see it, I'm taking it. I don't care. I'm over it. She's pissing me off. I literally said I wanted to enter a short up here, and then she's irritating me. Trailing. She did do what I wanted. She did go up here. Should have waited. Okay, I'm done for the day. Up 1,100. Bang, bitch. I've risked 800 for that, though. That's irritating. So, I'm locking out. Happy trading. That's how it goes sometimes, dude. I'm really happy I waited for that 5 minutes to close. She did close within. She's fully reversed that bullshit 5 minute. I ended 1,300 and entered where you said. So you entered up here, Leslie? You waited? Good shit, Leslie. Good shit. Good job. Okay. I love y'all so much. I'm sorry about over risking right there. I'm also sorry about hating NQ today. But we had plenty of moments where I was like, okay, this will probably happen. I'm happy that I was able to walk through things with you, like why this happened, why this was going to happen, why she was going to go up to here and I was going to short here, why I expected her to push up with here, why she was bouncing in between these retracement areas. I'm really happy that we were able to see that. Sorry, my music is so loud. I love y'all so much. I've got to get ready to teach this shit like an absolute dog on the webinar today. I hope to see all of y'all there. Remember, there's only so many spots left for the mentorship. We had a great trading day today. I know it was tough. This is what happens whenever we're just ranging for the day. That's what we're doing. It's okay. We ended up safe and alive. I'm happy I was here with y'all to wait and be patient with y'all, kind of talk y'all through it, be y'all's friend in the meantime, so that we didn't just enter without understanding. We had each other while we were here, so I really like that. I love y'all. I'm locking out. Y'all are literally going to witness me locking out right now. I don't care. So lock out. Great trading day, and Q's just toxic. I love y'all. Y'all are the best. I'm going to post this for y'all here in a second. Bye.